Hi everyone, I'm Kathleen if you're new here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a Flexi Clip French twist. So the first step is to gather all of your hair into a low ponytail and twist it up with 1 or 2 fingers. Now if you have medium to short hair, then all of your hair should already be in a twist. But if you have long hair like me, then take that extra hair and fold it around the top of your twist until you've tucked all of the ends in. Once you've tucked and twisted it into the shape you want, now you grab your Flexi Clip. So taking the pin of the Flexi Clip and coming in on one side of the twist and coming through along the scalp and coming out on the other side of the twist. And then putting the pin through the second loop and securing it in one of the notches. That is it for the French twist. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up to let me know, and comment below what hairstyles you want me to show next. Thanks again for watching, and bye.